Welcome to another episode of Turn Up Fridays. Today, today we're looking at PGI bathrooms. It's a bathroom installation. It's a plug company that's based in Rushden, close to Northampton. So this company has a quite nice and well-organized website. It looks good. The blue covers is something that I like because they build trust. They have their Google Business Profile link here, and they have lots of information about the services they do. So they seems to be focused only on around bathrooms, so they don't do kitchens or any other types of fittings. And something that I've noticed here is that they're talking about bathroom installation, bathroom design, but the people that are looking for this kind of service are most likely looking for bathroom fitters. And this website doesn't really mention bathroom fitters. You can see that at the very bottom, they talk about bathroom fitters near me in Rushden, which means that someone has probably tried to make optimization for their website, rank better for that. But even if you go with bathroom fitters in Rushden, even though the location is quite small, it's like 30,000 people, they don't rank that high. So with the Google Business Profile, they rank okay, but with the website, they're on position maybe like 8, 9. And so the suggestions that I'm going to make are going to relate to not only this business, but other businesses that are in similar situation. They are in a smaller location. So it's going to be a way to help you get more rankings from around the area, not only within the small town that you're in, but within the area around you. So there's two things that can be done here. So I've noticed that they have a section with projects. So I'll go to projects, and you can see that they have various projects here listed, which is a great thing. They have, what is it, like three pages. So I'm gonna click on any of those. Let's say this one, and you can see that it mentions a bit of information about that project. It has some images here. But what I will suggest is, since you already have the section created on your website, you can incorporate a section with content where you can explain the exact type of process or the thing that you have done to this project. So what was the situation of the customer? What did you come up with? How long did it take you? How satisfied was the customer? What was the overall process? You can mention the location of the customer, because it could be a customer that was from so they are based in Rushden, but it could be a customer that was in some of those areas close to Rushden. So how is that going to be helpful to Google is that when you have different case studies, different stories that you're telling, like different projects, and you're talking about, we did this in this area, we had installation done in this area. So Google is going to connect the dots and see that you have been working in those areas. You have ended up with happy customers there. So you're trustworthy. You have expertise with NCUs, with bathroom installations for older people, for disabled people. So Google is going to be enriched with that information, and it's more likely for someone looking not only from Rushden to get better, to rank here, to make your rank higher. So it's not only going to help people looking in Rushden for bathroom fitters to see you closer to the top, but it's going to help people from the surrounding areas here, because if you're having a couple of stories for this area, for this area, for this area, then Google is going to make your rank in those areas quite easily. So this is something that I wanted to suggest here. And something else that can be done is you can incorporate something that's called geo pages or area pages. You can list the areas that you're serving, because it could be like 5, 6, 7, 10 areas that are close to you, that you're serving, that you're happy to go to do the installations. And you can include some information about those, like what the specific in that location that you can do. It could be something that is specific with the housing market. So it could be specific types of properties that are in there, and that you have expertise with those. So it's things like that you can incorporate. And again, this doesn't apply only for this website. It applies for the majority of bathroom fitters. So if you are a bathroom fitter and you're looking to explore options to grow your traffic, to grow your sales, this is something that you can implement. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tom from Marketing, and these series are called Tuna Fridays. We aim to show you different business every time, and we're making suggestions that are aimed to help the business get more traffic or to convert the existing traffic even better. And you can replicate that to your website for the users that have businesses. It could be outside of the bathrooms industry in this example, but these are things that you can implement to your websites as well. And you can you can just take the benefit of that. Anyway, if you want to see your website featured in one of those series, you can just comment below the video, or you can just visit our marketing and get in touch with us. Until the next Friday.